So right, quickly everybody, one hand side, come on. Right, come on, we've got to beat the Royal Welsh. Okay? Open side. Right, okay. Right, they're coming into order. Big flag up. And they're away. Here we go. So into the lead goes Mia with Ted in second, then Gabrielle, Harriet in third. Then coming up behind we've got Betsy, Royal Daniel, and then we've got Owen Parker and Vicky really up the rear. Ted is run out. Yeah, so Ted unfortunately is out of the race. It's a run out for Ted. So we go on. So Mia taking up the running with Gabrielle in second. Then we've got coming up behind Royal Daniel and Betsy Snow. Harriet Warner, run for Donkey. Owen Parker with the red run colours. Another ride on. Dinky coming up on the back. She's now putting the accelerator on. The Dinky coming up on the outside. That's the front. We've got Mia Weston. Betsy Smart, well done. Then Harriet Warner in fourth, but they're still knocking on the door. Remember, 4 qualify for the final, so Dinky's coming up on the outside. Come on, Dinky! Come on, push that quickly!
She's like,
So this is where they turn now. This is the all-important finish. The judge here with the camera. Important finish. Mia pushing on. And Betsy just gets it. Harriet and then Dinky. So Dinky's in the final. With Harriet and... Right, finish that down. So into the lead goes Harry with Charlotte and then Betsy. Betsy with the third. Then coming up behind, we've got Thomas Barker and his brother. We've got then there we've got Thomas still trying to beat his brother, but Minnie's coming up on the inside. Minnie on Jack Sparrow. Jack Sparrow in control, but taking up the running now, we've got Betsy Norman on Chica, then Harry Williamson, then Charlotte, then Minnie Twisted-Davis coming up on the inside. She's knocking on that door for that first place to get through to the final. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 who get through to the final. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, cheer it up. Then we've got Charlotte Harvey, then Thomas, then coming down on the outside. This is where we can win and lose the race. It looks like Minnie gets Right, we're away. So into the lead goes Mia. Then it's Harriet Williams on the outside. Coming up on the inside is Betsy on Chica. On the outside, Harry Parker in the red-brown colours. Minnie's just sitting there quietly. Knowing Minnie's tactic, she will just sit there quietly. And Jack Sparrow. Bringing up to the rear, we've got Harriet. Betsy, Dinky and Gabriella. Betsy just sitting quietly in the back there because well done now. He wants a bit of a turn of speed. So they're taking out the front, holding the winning line on the way around here. Just sticking on. Betsy's still not on the same level of getting the tank for that last bit. But Minnie Twisted-Davis is coming up on the inside. She's looking for that gap to make her move. And looks like she's going to make that move now. Look at Mia's trying to close it down. And this is where they tear. This is where they win and lose the race. Here we go. And it's going to be. Yes, Minnie gets it. Mia second. Betsy third. Looks like Harry got the fourth place. Dinky sixth.
I'm going to say it ar y ffordd barod hawdd i wthio. Yw Gwyn yn hapus? Gareth yn hapus? Ar y mapia, barod, ewch! Reit, mae hwn o tractor sy'n cychwyn yn dda, a mae JCB wedi dal fyny. Mae gen Wern bach o Wern dal fyny yn y gweddill. Wedi i'r ymwneud, mae hwnna'n awgwrs yn mynd i'n dda hi. A mae'n edrych fel bod ni'n hwn fel y tractors. A JCB a hwn o tractors yn ei ddewch o'r gyntaf. JCB yn awr, SDM wedi networks a Cycling dal fyny fan nhw. O, mae'n dod yn ymlaen i'r clwyddio. Mae'n eich wedi edrych yn fan. O, pwy sy'n gyda hi? O, mae'n edrych yn y clwyd ac yn fydd. Ia, wir clwyd ac yn dros y linell. A pwy yn y ail gwch? Yn y lliw yn ail, yn hoffi clwydio'n drydu. Ac yna ti'n Wheelies. O, mae'n mynd yn agos, dwi'n siŵr, dwi'n meddwl rhaid yn rhedeg yn y tromax, dwi'n meddwl yn ôl. O, swn i'n dweud bod hwnna tractor ar y blaen ar ŵr Gymru, ond eto mae gen cwyd a clwyd ac yn going to win the massive over Wales in 2026. Oh, now they've done a very good turn around 180 degrees and they're on the way back. Clwyd a clwyd have started very well, and there seems to be some issues with the wreck with one of the tractors. Oh no, we're going to have a crash. Oh dear, what's happening? One of the tractors on the floor. And I've probably been shooting last night, sweet. Clwyd a clwyd. Ond tawan, pwy sy'n mynd â hi? Holl lot i ddau dîm.
To the display by the Anglesey Equipment Society. We have a big body of the nice one as well. The Anglesey show since 1976. They've been providing static displays in the first few years, and as has been trust in tractor increase, we've been providing a ring display for the last 25 or 30 years, I guess. So as always, we have a great display of varying makes and tractors. Not going to need tractors that are down, I just feel that the midnight. Lots of horrors and Shetland wedi cychwyn dros y gitar ac yn hyrwyr ar 70 mlynedd yn gael yn sylw i'r eithriad o massive purchases. Erich wedi dechrau gyda lots o bach, lots o people, lots of farmers around here. Yr arddangosfa, mae gennym ni Massey Ferguson 550. Yn mewn fewnol, mae'r Massey 550 yr fath ar Massey 35 neu'r 135. Ond wrth gwrs, ar hyd y blynyddoedd, mae yna welliannau wedi cael ei gwneud i'r tractors a wrth gwrs y gwelliant mawr ydy'r cab sydd arni hi. A be maen nhw'n alw yn quiet cab, mae'r cab wedi montio ar rybr fel bod y sŵn sydd fewn yn isel iawn. Mae'r tractor yna yn digwydd dod hefo power steering hefyd sydd yn gwneud hi'n bobolgaidd iawn ar ffermydd bychan. Mae'n wedi troi ar swll fel mae'r hen ddeud yn dweud.
Anybody who support us? 200-mile trip to come on this year.
As you can also see, there is a Grey Ferguson going around the ring at the moment. They are raising money for charity and they're going around with the buckets. So if you've got some loose change, please do help, and we'll give you a few more details on that.